validate has been included as part of our MVC, and it's turned on automatically. So let's check the web config. See this one entry called client validation enabled. It's set it true in MVC by default. What happens is, what this means is, if you remember how we did validation using the data annotations, all these validations are happening at the server side normally. But because we use the jQuery validate and set it to true, these validations are happening right away, even before there is a post back. So that is happening only because of jQuery validate. If you look at your edits, store manager, you can see that jQuery validate bundle is included here, and that's the reason why without this code, your validations won't work till you hit the save or submit button. Your like for example, when you did the students and you validated the grade to be A through F except E, as soon as you tabbed away from the field, you saw the validation errors there. That would not happen without the jQuery val. So that is the role of jQuery val. So just wanted to bring that to your attention. Not every single view has it. For example, the details view does not have that because there is no validation happening. But any view where you possibly could have validations, which is like the edit, create, those views actually have the jQuery validate included as a bundle, and that is why your code is able to be responsive to your user input right away. Okay, hope this helps. If we look at the web config, the other thing that we are going to talk about is the unobtrusive JavaScript. So this is also turned on by default, which means we should be able to do Ajax functionality, dynamic posting, dynamic processing of our data in our code. So that is the default setting of MVC. What we are going to do first is to create an action link. Like I explained in the prior video, we will be doing two portions of this. We will be doing the action link, and then we will do a form using Ajax. So let's go to our index method. This is where we'll be doing our changes. So let's see how Ajax works. Let's start with creating a div. So daily deal is going to be the div that displays whatever album is on sale that week, and that's going to be randomized. So here what we are going to do is, this is how you go for Ajax, similar to how you did at HTML dot excuse me. Okay, we'll be doing add Ajax. See, there is action link, begin form, and a whole bunch of other things. So we are going to go with action. Okay, let's see what parameters are available for us. So there is a length that for, so you need to have, if it's the link, you need to have a text, and then it's going to connect to an action name, and then Ajax options. Let's see what's the overload looks like. So this one has the link text, action name, route values, Ajax options. So these are overloads. So this is what we are going to use because we want to set some HTML attributes also. So first we are going to say action does not exist in our controller. So we are going to create an action called daily D. We don't care about the route values. And then the next one is going to be Ajax option. So let's set this, oops, so sorry, I don't know why my, let's say new Ajax options. Just so we know what the parameters are, I'm just formatting it this way. So it's easy to read. Let's say new Ajax options. So here we are going to say um, first is going to be update target ID. That's a property. This is going to say which portion of the view is going to be modified. So the portion that's going to be modified is this div called daily D. So we say that will be daily D. That's the first parameter. Second parameter is going to be insertion mode. That will be set as insertion mode dot replace. So what I'm saying here is I just want to completely replace daily D with the output that is returned from my action link, the actions of the post. And then what kind of a request is this? So I'm going to say HTTP method equal to because all I'm doing is going to the server and figuring out which video has the deal and bringing it back. So there are three parameters we did. The fourth parameter is going to be the HTML attribute. So let's set that as new. So this is basically like formatting how we want the link to be. We are making it into a button. We already have this defined in our CSS, so we're just going to use that. Oops. Okay. So this little piece of code